Basically, it's where we come to fetch my father's spirits, to unite him with his physical form as we depart. It's part of our customs and traditions. It means everything to us. You know, we are a people that prides themselves on who they are, and this is part of who we are, and we can't lay him to rest without going through this process. It's very crucial and it's very sacred to our people. It's particularly important for our future generations. The bond that we have as a family, the Mthethwas and the Buthelezis, and in particular in such times, we are able to come together and see each other through this dark moment. It means a great deal. It means a great deal for our family. My father dedicated his entire life from a tender age of 14 years to the liberation, the struggle, and the emancipation of our people. So for the state to honor us with a state funeral, befitting of the work that he's done over the decades, we welcome that and we appreciate it, and I'm sure it goes exactly with what he stood for as a person.
So can you give us a sense?
It's extremely traumatic.
One, two.
We were granted
two.
access to the room just to witness his last views. We held a small prayer as a family, and you know, just trying to absorb this sense of reality that we faced with. So it was quite emotional. It was quite emotional, and of course, it's not easy to see where his last breath was. You know.
So you were actually taken to the 22nd floor, to the room that he occupied that night?
That's correct. That's correct. We were granted access as per our request, just so that we can have that prayer and just try and, you know, settle any unanswered questions within us, you know, also to be able to report back home that we have done that. It was an emotional journey. Well, no one will really understand at this moment, you know. For us, it's just trying to get a step closer to closure more than anything. In terms of the technicalities of what happened there, you know, we're still relying a lot on the authorities and professionals to give us a more detailed briefing on that, you know. But for us, as we mourn, we are seeking closure, acceptance of what's happening. Then, of course, answers will be clarified at a later stage. But right now, what's important is closure and laying my father to rest. Those details will be given to my uncle, Dr. Usubuyile. He'll be able to divulge much on that, you know. As I say again, our concentration is getting through this period, you know. We don't want to focus our energies too much on things that we can't control, but right now we're just dealing with the repatriating process and laying him to rest.